the Cat, Pete's Big Lunch by James Dean. Here comes Pete. Lunch? It is lunchtime. Pete is ready to eat. What should Pete eat? A sandwich would be nice. Yes, Pete wants a sandwich. Pete opens up the fridge. Whoa. He takes out a loaf of bread and he finds a yummy fish. He adds tomato and mayo. Pete looks at his sandwich. It's too small. Something is missing. Pete knows what it needs. His sandwich needs an apple. Pete loves apples. Naya and Jost love apples. The sandwich is getting huge. His sandwich needs crackers. Crackers are crunchy. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Pete loves crunchy crackers. Pete looks at his sandwiches again. It is still too small. What do you think? Ooh, Pete is very hungry. He adds a pickle. Pete adds cheese. Pete adds an egg, 2 hot dogs, a banana, and a can of beans. Whoa! Something is missing. Oh yeah. Pete adds ice cream. He takes 3 huge scoops. Whoa. Pete's sandwich is too big for Pete to eat. Pete wonders what to do. Pete thinks and thinks. I got it, Pete says. Pete calls his friend. He asks them to come on over. Everyone goes to Pete's house. They are all very hungry. Look, he's got that sandwich just waiting. Pete shows them his big lunch. Are you hungry? Asked Pete. Pete's sandwich is big enough for everyone. Dig in, says Pete. Pete's sandwich is so good. Pete's sandwich is very good. Pete's sandwich is all gone. Pete's friends are full. They liked Pete's big lunch. Thanks for lunch, Pete's friends say. Thanks for sharing. You're welcome, Pete says. Sharing is cool.